Welcome in, everybody, to another episode of Tentacle Fitness. 10 minutes a day to get your day going, to heckin' inspire you to build consistency in your workout. Today we are starting with something to get you out of bed, like a quick little workout to get you energized for your day. So you get out of bed and you do these exercises real quick and you feel ready to conquer your day. So that's what we're doing today. If you have not already, please do press the subscribe button and turn on that little bell so you get all the notifications. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers before January 10th. Let's get started. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to start out. Squeeze your butt, hands on your hips, and come up on your tippy toes. This just gets the blood flowing in your legs a little bit after all that time that you spent asleep. Also, I have this new idea for the channel, in terms of a little bit of branding. It's gonna take a little bit of investment, so I have, I don't want to spoil it yet, but I'm kind of excited about the idea. We'll see if it ends up going over. Oh yeah, I forgot to start my watch. All right, now start jogging in place. A little cardio is gonna get your blood pumping, so that it'll help wake you up. And then from this, you can hop straight into the shower. And now, start kicking your butt. High knees, bring your knees up to your hip points. That's those little bumps on either side of your hips. Starting to feel your heart pumping, starting to feel your eyes opening. Dude, it's so funny. My eyes are so swollen first thing in the morning when I wake up that my Face ID can't even recognize my face until I open my eyes. Jumping jacks, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast with your jumping jacks to get your blood pumping. Power jacks. Make sure that your knees don't go past your toes here. Alright, back to jogging. I'm going to adjust my mat. There we go. Good morning. Woo. Alright, and now burpees. If anything is going to get your heart pumping, it's burpees. Burpees are pure evil. Pure evil, I say. Back to jogging. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the aerobic section of the workout. Now that your blood is all pumping and your body is nice and warm, now we're going to do some stretches to get your body nice and limber for the day. Start rolling your neck. And switch directions. Shoulder stretches. You might even get a back crack here nice and early in the morning. Your back is all tense from sleeping in bed all night. All right, quadricep stretch. Lift your right leg up, grab a hold of that foot, touch your heel to your butt, flex your butt, feel that stretch in your right quadricep. Switch. Same thing on the other side. Feel that stretch in your left quadricep. Arms up, hinge forward, keeping your back straight. Bending from your hips. Reach out toward the wall. Reach. Keep that back straight. Come down to the floor. Bring your hands around your ankles. And then bring your left hand to your right ankle. Right hand goes up in the air. Look up at it. Look up at that beautiful hand. And then switch sides. And then come back down to center. Stretch it out a little bit more. And up. And then we're going to bend to our right leg. Keep your legs straight. Keep your back straight. And then come down into a deep lunge. If this is too intense, you can come down onto your back knee. Same benefits of the stretch. We're going to come down onto our back knee anyway now. And then lift that back foot up. Grab a hold of it with that same side hand. Keep your hip points facing forward. Now we're going to do lunges and sides. This foot comes up onto the heel. As you get nice and deep in there, switch sides. Feel it opening up all that stuff. Now we're going to bend to our left leg. Again, both legs straight, back straight, just hinging forward. Now we're going to come into our deep lunge. Again, you can let this back knee come down to the floor if this is too much. Now bring that back knee down if you haven't already. Back foot comes up, grab a hold of it with that same side hand. Keep your hip points facing forward. Let it go, come on up, and that's it. You ready to conquer your day? If you liked what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTubey things. Enjoy a glass of chalky milk to start your day. Go hop in the shower, have a great day at work or school or whatever you're heckin' doing. And yeah, this has been Tentacle Tech. Oh, I have to thank our patrons. Hold on. This program would not be possible without the wonderful support of our patrons. Starting at our Kraken tier, thank you so much PW Self, Jimmy V1100, Deadman1362, and Kirby Ninja. Next at our Octo tier, thank you so much to Juggy, Spookers, Supergirl Jess, and Kitty Cat Cosplay. Next at our Cuddlefish tier, thank you so much to Shiso Sandy, Chris Fortuna, Elfine, Baby Blueser, Saber, Cap'em, Hot Cocoa Maker, Cuddlefish Mermaid, and Bearcat. And finally, at our Tentacle tier, thank you to Charmander, Eyes of Ashes, and AMC. Thank you all so much for the support. If you would like to become a patron, the link is down in the description. You can do so for as little as $1 a month, and it means the heckin' world to me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it, subscribe, all YouTube things, and I'll see you next time. This has been Tentacle Tech. Bye!